Imagine waking up tomorrow and every glacier, every polar ice cap, every frozen mountain peak on Earth is gone. No slow warming, no decades of warning, just melted. Coastlines vanish, cities drown, entire countries disappear, and the world you know becomes unrecognizable in a single lifetime. This isn't science fiction. This is a real scenario scientists have modeled, and the results are more unsettling than most people realize. Right now, Earth's ice looks permanent, ancient, unmovable. But hidden inside it is enough frozen water to reshape the planet forever. If all of it melted, sea levels wouldn't rise by a few feet. They'd rise by about 70 meters, over 230 feet. To put that in perspective, that's taller than a 20-story building. And that's just the beginning.
Let's start with the map. The moment the ice melts, coastlines retreat inland like a fleeing army. New York City, mostly underwater. Miami, gone. London, Shanghai, Tokyo, Sydney, submerged or fractured into islands. Entire nations vanish from the map. The Netherlands, Bangladesh, the Maldives. More than 40% of the human population lives near the coast. In this world, hundreds of millions are suddenly displaced. Civilizations don't just move inland, they collide.
But rising seas aren't the most dangerous part. As ice melts, it removes massive weight from the Earth's crust. Land that's been pressed down for thousands of years begins to rebound, slowly cracking, shifting, reshaping continents. Volcanoes become more active, earthquakes increase, and the oceans themselves change. Fresh water floods into the sea, disrupting global ocean currents, especially the ones that regulate climate. Europe grows colder, the tropics become unbearably hot. Weather becomes violent, unpredictable, relentless.
Now look away from the cities. Polar bears starve, penguins disappear, but it doesn't stop there. Ice reflects sunlight back into space. Without it, Earth absorbs far more heat. This accelerates warming even further, a runaway effect with no brakes. Coral reefs bleach and die, fish populations collapse, food chains unravel from the bottom up. Within decades, mass extinction accelerates on land and in the sea. And humans, we're not above that chain.
Yes, humanity survives, but not unchanged. We retreat to higher ground. Megacities rise inland. Borders dissolve under pressure from climate refugees. Fresh water becomes the most valuable resource on Earth. Conflicts erupt, not over oil, but over survival. Technology helps. Innovation adapts, but the world becomes harsher, louder, more crowded. This isn't the end of humanity. It's the end of the world we built.
Here's the uncomfortable truth. If all Earth's ice melted, it wouldn't happen overnight. It would take centuries. But the process has already begun. Every glacier retreating today, every ice shelf cracking right now is a preview. The planet isn't fragile. It will endure. The question is whether our version of civilization will.
The ice on Earth is more than frozen water. It's memory, it's balance. It's a silent architect holding the planet in place. If it all melted, Earth wouldn't die. It would simply become a different world, one where survival costs more and comfort becomes a luxury. So the next time you see a glacier calving into the sea, remember, you're not just watching ice melt, you're watching the future decide its shape.